Welcome to my new video. Today, we are going to learn how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your mobile phone. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Do Not Disturb icon, which usually looks like a circle with a line through it. Tap on it to turn Do Not Disturb on. Alternatively, you can go to your phone's settings, select Sound Vibration, and tap on Do Not Disturb. From there, you can customize when and how you want to receive notifications. And that's it. Do Not Disturb mode is now on, and you won't be disturbed by any notifications or calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.